Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how you can reset your Stockx password. So there is two methods to reset your password. The first one is by simply going to log in right through here, and once you go to the login process, you will literally say that you have forgotten your password. So this is the step number one, and let me show you how you can go through it. So click on the login button and then click on here to forget that you've forgotten your password. And then here put in your email address. So I'm simply gonna go here, copy this address real quick, paste it right here, and click on reset password. Now usually what it will do, they will send you a reset password email. So if there is any account associated with the provided email address, you will receive an email with a link to reset your password. So let's go ahead and check our inbox. As you might see, this is it. So hello, since you originally signed up with Google account, password reset is not available. Now this is something that happens a lot to people who signed up or created their accounts using this method, which is the fast or the social media account creation method. So they simply go like this, create account and use one of these icons. But in case you have created your account using the sign up form, which is the normal one, then this link will eventually give you here, this email will eventually give you here a redirecting the link that will take you to a page where you can literally reset your password, write it down twice, and this will change it for you. It's very easy and very fast. So for those who are using like Google accounts for signing up, or basically Apple account, Facebook or X, this step doesn't really matter or concern you guys, because you literally don't have a password. But for others, you will receive an email that will give you a redirected link so you can actually reset your password. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.